In today's video, I'm going to unbox a product from Bajaj, which is a mini fan which I bought from Chroma store. Hey everyone, you're watching me Vinayaka on VGS World. MRP of this product is 1700 and you may get it for around 1000 rupees on online shopping sites like Flipkart or Amazon, and also you can find this product on Chroma website for 900 change. I'll leave the links in the description below if in case you like the product, just go and buy it. So this is the product I'm talking about. You can just find the manufacturing details as well as the MRP of this product here on the box. And I have got the blue color variant here. So without wasting any time, let's unbox this product and check what we have got inside. We have got a user manual and a warranty card inside the box. Apart from that, we have also got a charging cable for the fan. It's micro USB to USB and the fan. It looks very beautiful in blue color. It comes with a clip which is very sturdy. It can be rotated 360 degree. Even the angle of the fan can be adjusted 360 degree. So here we have the switch to turn on the fan and turn off the fan, and also we have got micro USB port to charge this device. On the box it says it gives the battery backup of 4 hours when it's fully charged, and this fan comes with 1 year standard warranty from Bajaj. So basically there are 3 modes. This is the first one. Second one is slightly faster. And here is the third one and the last one, which is very fast. This fan can also be wall mounted. There is an option for that. I will be reviewing this product in a fortnight and sharing my experience and thoughts about this fan. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to VGS World. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.